Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on JASMY. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of JASMY was moving inside a quite long down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame, then you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance here on 13th of April 2025. By the way, here we broke out on 12th of April 2025. But after the breakout, the price of JASMY could not break out this resistance on that starts from 1.77 and goes to 1.92 cents. And you can see that for the past several days, it is breaking a resistance zone. Before that, it was breaking a support zone here, and support zone here, support zone here, support zone here, and support here. And now we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge almost 2 or 3 years ago when it was moving inside this this wedge back in 2022, and I have been telling you in those days that once it will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very very massive rally. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 1900%, but could not break out this resistance line. That's that from here for from 5 cents and goes to 6.1 cents. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for order, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 17th of April 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of JASMY. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel since after the second week of December 2024 up till the second week of April 2025. And finally, we broke out the resistance of the channel, but after the breakout, it was rejected by this resistance zone. That starts from 1.77 and goes to 1.92 cents. Retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up, but still it is not able to break out this resistance zone. And in case of breaking out this resistance zone, an imminent move is possible up to the next long-term resistance of 2.7 cents. By the way, this 2.7 cents had been previously breaking as support here. And before that, it has been breaking as a resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more visible. Uh, Here we have this 2.7 cents resistance, and you can see that it was breaking as a resistance here, and before that, here it was also breaking as a resistance in the month of April 2022. And after breaking it out, I'm expecting that soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That target will be here at the top of the channel at 5 cents. By the way, from 5 cents to 6.1 cents, we already have a very long-term resistance zone that was recently breaking as a resistance zone here. And before that, here in the month of March 2022, it was breaking as a resistance. And before that, it was breaking as support line here in the month of December 2021. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a very, very massive rally, more than 1900% rally. But so far, the price line could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge. That is at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.